Hi students, today we will move to lesson 5, which is tell time to the minute. We will learn how to read the clock or the time. First, before anything, we have to know that we have two types of clocks. We have the digital clock, which is this one, and the analog clock, which is this one. As we can see that the digital clock shows us the time in numbers. We can see the number 7, colon, which are the 2 points above each other, we call them colon, okay, and 00, so it's 7. While the analog clock shows us the time with two hands. The small hand shows us the hour and the tall hand shows us the minute. So two types of clocks, digital clock and analog clock. Now look with me at this analog clock. In this analog clock we have the clock which have two hands. The small one, we said, tells the hour, and the tall one tells us the minutes. So here the small one is at 6 and the tall one is at 2. What does it mean? Let's read here. The short hand indicates the hour while the long hand indicates the minutes. To tell the time by minutes, we count by 5. We skip by 5. Okay, so to tell the time by hour, we just read the hand, this short hand. The short hand is at 6, so it is 6. The short hand is at 9, so the hour is 9. But what about the minutes? The minutes, look at the yellow leaves up, okay? On the 12 we can see colon 00. So if the long hand is on the 12 and the small hand is on the 6, so it's 6, only 6, okay, with no minutes, 6, sharp 6. But if the tall hand is on 05 or is on 1, here it means we will read it as 5. So it is 5 minutes, 6 and 5 minutes. If the tall hand is on the 2, like here, so 10 minutes. If it was on the 3, 15 minutes. 4, 20 minutes. 5, 25 minutes. 6, 30. So as we can see, we are just skipping by 5. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50 and 55. Okay, so this is how we read the hour, the minute. And also another way is, if you forget to skip, you will see, for example, here the tall hand is on 2, so we will multiply 2 by 5, it's 10, so it's 6 and 10 minutes. Okay, if it is on 8, let's say, so it's 6 and 40 minutes. Clear? Now in the digital clock it's much easy because we will only read the numbers. We have here 12 colon 30, so it's 12 and 30, 12, 30. Okay, or it's 12. That clock shows that 30 minutes have passed since it was 12 o'clock. Okay, so we can say that it's 12:30 or it is 30 minutes past 12. Okay, 30 minutes past 12. If it's 12:20, for example, we will say 20 minutes past 12 or 12:20. So the number before the colon is the hour and the number after the colon is the minute.